CRC Worldviews and News. Important news about Christians worldwide. Today is 23 May 2025. Israelite couple Yaron Lashinsky and Sarah Lynn Milgram killed by Elias Rodriguez at Washington, D.C. Suspects arrested. Investigation going on. Terrorists attacked a bus carrying children to school in Pakistan with a bomb. There were 40 children from the Army Public School on the bus. 5 people, 3 of whom are children, lost their lives and the rest are injured. An operation has been launched against the terrorists and many raids are being carried out. Catholic religious leader Laurent Milan, who is a local religious leader of Notre Dame de France, is receiving threats from an unknown Islamic group that Notre Dame de France will be attacked and burned. Authorities are searching for the Islamic group to prevent any attack. Sara Duterte faces religious discrimination in the Philippines. People are making statements against her. When evidence is demanded, their own statements are used against Sara. A church was burned down in Palangkaraya, Indonesia. The governor of the region, Guzdar has said that he will rebuild the church, ensure the protection of places of worship and bring the malicious attackers to justice. Alex Sohaini, a local Christian in Kashmir, says that after the war, they are coming out of fear. Now people are seen walking in the area. The people, who were afraid in cases of terrorism, are now relying on the assurances of protection from the authorities. Nazir Navad Goltafe was tortured in Iran for following Christianity, then arrested and put in prison. There, he began to suffer from mental pressure, but he is not being treated and he is getting sicker in prison. Rana Benam is an Iraqi Christian woman who was kidnapped by ISIS and made a sex slave. She was later rescued during a police operation, but she says that many women like her are being tortured every day, and that justice should be served. Father Valentin Maybibaram was kidnapped in Cameroon. Islamic extremists threatened to stop preaching Christianity, but he continued to pray when unknown extremists attacked and kidnapped him. Aim, a Christian woman living in Morocco, was abandoned by her family due to health problems and was fired from the Muslim institution where she worked. She faced a lot of discrimination because of her faith. Arkan, a Christian living in Turkey, says that preaching Christianity is a big problem in Turkey. Even sitting with other Christians is a hateful thing. Many Muslims plot against you to harm you. If you liked our video and want to watch more, subscribe our channel. A reliable source of information, stay connected with CRC News.